Prestone's Car Care series. I'm Gabby.
And I'm Kent.
We're here to teach you how to keep your car in tip-top shape with some simple and useful tips. Today, Ken and I are going to teach you how to check your car's brake fluid in the convenience of your own garage.
Yes, and what? It's really easy. So better is not Gab.
All right.
Now, okay, first of all, we have to pop the hood. And then that's the time we get started. The first thing you need to do is to clean the brake fluid reservoir before opening the cylinder. Make sure to have your apron and gloves on, as well as you have your car fender cover in place. Now this protects your hands and clothes and your car's paint too. Collect a sample of fluid from the master cylinder using a siphon or a pipette. Transfer the fluid to a clear container and be careful not to spill any on your car. Now, if you notice that the fluid's color is different from that of the fresh brake fluid, that means it's contaminated. The next thing you need to do is remove all the contaminated brake fluid from the master cylinder valve using suction or a pipette. Once all the contaminated fluid is out, pour fresh Prestone brake fluid into the master cylinder valve and then close the lid tightly. But we are not yet done! We've got to flush out contaminated fluid that may still be in the fluid lines. And to do this, you will need some assistance. Now get into your car, press down on the brake pedal until the pedal gets stiff. And while the pedal is held against the pressure buildup, another person has to attend to the brake calipers, turning open the bleeder screws as you press the pedal all the way down. And as you do this, you'll start to see the contaminated fluid getting squeezed out. Now keep in mind that the pedal has to be pressed all the way down until the bleeder screw is closed. Continue this flushing process until you see clean brake fluid coming out, and make sure to do it for all wheels, following this prescribed order. And it's that simple, guys. You just got your car brakes lean and clean. Back to you, Gabby.
Thanks, Kent. So to find out more about caring for your car brake system, watch the other Prestone Car Care videos.
And remember to check up on your car's brake fluid regularly.
Remember, 1. Always top up, and 2. Flush and fill at least once a year after the warranty period.
Now, for more information, follow us on Facebook. That's www.facebook.com/PrestonePhilippines.
Yes, keep on watching, guys. Make safety your #1 priority. And remember, protect it, Prestone it.